Another primary issue is that we have to reduce our debt. Our debt in this district is $55 million. And it got that high because of 11 solid years of borrowing. They did 11 solid years of borrowing, all at levels that are just under the statutory requirement for them to do a referendum. So they never had to ask anybody's permission to do any of this borrowing. They just did it because they can. And so in doing all that borrowing, what they've done is they've diverted a lot of money that would otherwise be available for things like instruction in the classroom to debt service. So almost 10% of our annual budget in this district goes to debt service. 10% of our $55 million a year budget goes to debt service. And I think that they can probably make arguments for everything that they did with that money, but the manner in which they did it, to me, again, lacks transparency and is so sneaky. Like they just go out and borrow all this money behind the taxpayers' back and then say, oh, we're fiscal conservatives, by the way, which I don't understand how they square that circle. But in any case, that's the argument. So I think what we have to do in order to address this debt is we have to stop borrowing money. We have to stop borrowing money. And until we actually stop borrowing money, as recently as last summer, they borrowed $5.1 million to air condition Poplar Creek and Orchard Lane. So I think that they need more transparency. I think they need to address the debt by stopping borrowing money, because that will help all of us as taxpayers.